Hey everybody, we're here in the showroom at H&H. Today we're going to talk about power windows. The only brand of power windows that H&H sells is New Relics. We do it for the following reasons. Number one, made right here in the USA. 2, lifetime warranty on the motors. 3, easy install. 4, fast turnaround times. Let's talk about fast turnaround times. You ordered that this morning, unless this is the weekend and you're watching this video, it's going to get shipped out the same day. They are very fast, very quick, quality made product. Number 2, the easy install. Let's talk about that. So New Relics is designed that it bolts right back into the stock location with the exception of their one-piece windows, which actually moves the motor down, but still utilizes some of the factory window regulator holes to mount. Again, bolts right back to the same, uses the same 5/16 screw that GM used for decades to mount your window regulator in. Really the only modifications you've got to make, number 1, obviously you've got to drill a hole in the door and the kick panel to get the wiring through. It's not invisible wiring, so you got to do that. And number 3 is you got to modify a place, put the power window switch. Now, they do offer several different switch options on our website. We do have the standard switch available, and we also have what they call their new crank system. The new crank is designed to go right back into the stock location. You may have to do a little bit of modification to the door to get it to set back far enough, otherwise it does leave a bit of a bulge there. But then you can put your factory window crank on it, and that moves the window up and down. And you say, well, I can only use one window doing that way. They also offer a master switch option for a little additional money. But if you're doing just a standard one, it's designed to go back in. Now, if you're building a car from scratch and you haven't done the interior yet, all the interior options that we also offer, let's say you're putting a stock original interior back in your 70 Chevelle, it has pre-cutouts in those door panels for power window switches. So you don't have to, do something there in its window crank hole. You can actually put it up where it was meant to be. Wiring's pretty simple, plug and play on the motor, the switches. The only thing you're gonna have to tie it in is into your ignition source, whether it be at the fuse panel, the switch, whatever you're planning on doing there. But the biggest thing we like about these is that it's such smooth operation. And they have a built-in safety switch, so when it gets all the way to the top, it stops. It doesn't sit there and just keep cranking on the motor like some of your universal kits will. Same thing going down, it stops. So, great product. Go look on our website, go to the window section, power window conversions. You'll find several different options for your vehicle. We also have very special order options available for Ford, Mopar, not just Chevrolet. So take a look at it. Come call us about New Relics Power Windows today.